Good morning everyone. Today we'll be seeing an introduction to trigonometry. Trigonometry is completely based on a right triangle. In a right triangle, you will have an angle 90 degree. The side which is opposite to 90 degree. The side which is opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. Here there are two angles are there. So one angle is marked as theta. So this theta is always we use in trigonometry. The side which is opposite to theta is called as opposite side and the leftover side is called as adjacent side. Okay, the side which is opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to theta is called as opposite side. The balance leftover side is adjacent side. So in trigonometry, we have, using this right triangle, we can form three types of angles. Okay, they are called as sine theta, cosine theta and tangent theta. So it is sine, cosine, tangent. In shorter, we say them as sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay, so the three angles formed are sine, cosine and tangent. In short, we say them as sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. So what are these sine theta, cos theta and tan theta? The side which is opposite divided by hypotenuse gives you sine theta. That is opposite divided by hypotenuse gives you sine theta. Okay, opposite divided by hypotenuse. Therefore, cos theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos theta is equals to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite divided by adjacent is called as tan theta. So sine, cos, tan. How to find out sine theta, cos theta, tan theta you have seen now. Tan theta is equals to opposite divided by adjacent. We can say it as sine theta divided by cos theta. Why? Sine theta can be written as opposite by hypotenuse divided by cos theta can be written as adjacent by hypotenuse. So what happens? Opposite divided by hypotenuse. Division, when you change it into multiplication, then denominator becomes reciprocal. So hypotenuse divided by adjacent. So hypotenuse and hypotenuse gets cancelled. Opposite divided by adjacent. So tan theta can be written as sine theta divided by cos theta. There are three more angles which are reciprocal of these three angles. They are called as cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. So cosecant theta is equals to just the reciprocal of this hypotenuse divided by opposite, and secant theta is equals to hypotenuse divided by adjacent, and cot theta is equals to adjacent side divided by opposite side. So we can write cosecant theta as 1 by sine theta and secant theta as 1 by cos theta and cot theta as 1 by tan theta. Cot theta can be written in another way also, which is cos theta divided by sine theta. Okay. These six are the basic things of trigonometry. So once you know this, you can find out what is the complementary of each angle, and there is a table from 0 degree to 90 degree, how to find out all these things. We can see it in next video. Thank you.